don't know about you, but when I'm driving, I get like random thoughts. And the driving back and forth to the beach is the worst. It's about 3.5 hours of just my brain, and that's not always a good thing. So I'm just driving along the other day, and I had to sneeze, like sneeze in the car. Have you ever wondered how many accidents are caused by a sneeze? Because seriously, that can take quite a few seconds to recover from. And there ain't no telling what could be happening on the road around you in those 15 seconds that it takes you to recover from that sneeze. 15 seconds is a long time.